I recently discovered these awesome cyberpunk-inspired mantis claws on MakerWorld. They already looked like a fun project, but I wanted to push the design further and give it a more deadly, realistic feel. I extended the blade, making it longer and sleeker for a more intimidating look.
Premiere of Friday Night Videos.
This is a commercial urging you to buy something. Buy one.
A huge shout out to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. These guys don't just kill it with super fast PCB services, they've also got your back for 3D printing. Check out this sick resin printed armored Deadpool Iron Man helmet they made for me. It's absolutely insane. I can't wait to finish it up and show you the final piece. PCBWay is the go-to for high-quality PCBs, 24-hour turnarounds, no minimum orders, and top-notch assembly services. Hit them up. The link is in the description.
Wake the fuck up, samurai.
Stone cold killer, certified fresh bitch, ain't nobody realer. Slow-mo when I enter, only feel God and the man in the mirror. I see the devil looking back, on another level where you at. I'm a savage, I'm a beast, got blood in my teeth when I'm going for your neck. Who am I? It don't really matter though if you about to die. You can run, you can fight, either way, it's the same outcome when I ride. Last chance, you ready to tango, this your last dance. Get ready with ammo, get the squad ready, you it's about to get heavy. Yeah, I'm here to make you hurt. That's the only way I work. We gon' put them in the dirt. Can't nobody save you. Yeah, I'm here to make you hurt. That's the only way I work. We gon' put them in the dirt.
What? What?
Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash, reply. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash, reply.